Ka Committee on Women Empowerment jong ka yin rabar thau an ke jela kala batha ya u Director General jong ki pulit ke jela ban pha pen state no ye ki jing tokin halor ki mokaduma pokso ki kam thambor bat ki kam pen ya pe ki kin thai ha ke jela haba pen pawru ik jing so khia ka bajur ya ka jing duna palat jong ki rai pen rem ya ki nong le kam baman ha ke jela barokowai
Ka Committee Kabla Clear dak MLA ka East Shillong Constituency Dr. Amperin Lingdo kalapen mi ekne kejing batha hadin kejing galang kabla long men ha kasni baar jong katayo kabla tai sani halor kejing kenrai ki kam thombor persya ki kenthai bat ki khna ha kajela Ka Committee ekne kasni kala khot hajer yu Director General ki Pulet UR Chandranathan banpan ya kejing tip babnya halor kejing yat ki mokot duma pokso bat ki kam thombor bat jing penyap ki kenthai ha padang kasnam arjar khat pra bat arjar arpho Ka Committee kelapen pau kejing so komen bagatrat pulet kalala banbu jeng tho bat kejing tep babnya ki kam sneo persya ki kenthai bat ki khna henrei kelapen pau pat kejing so kya ba kejing rai penrem ki nong le kam baman kalong ka beduna bha namar kania kalabatha yu Director General ki pulet ban pha pen stat kejing toket bat bandale janai bha khnang ba ki nong le kam baman ki neo kejing pen saja kat kum ka kam ba ki lale
We are happy to observe that the police department has progressed substantially in as far as the maintenance of the data related to crimes against women and children in general. But we were quite alarmed with the fact that the conviction rate of all of these cases was pretty low. We have requested the DGP of police to speed up all these cases because as per the report submitted to us, cases since 2015 still lay pending and are still incomplete.
Ka Committee kelarai ru hakane kejing yalang ya kejing terekam jang ka Forensic Science Laboratory jong ka jela bat chem bakane ka laboratory kadan hapleng shibun kejing duna ka balapen deko kejing terekam jong ki pulet kejing toket ki kam baman nadu ki kam le be ijat ki kam penyap breu bat ki we Ka Committee kala syam bak kejing duna ki badan hakane ka laboratory ka jela kadai ka dau ba bak jela ka banchania hadu banta ban phale ka forensic test sabar ka jela ka bedai ru ka dau ba basa slam kejing toket jong ki pulet ya ki kam baman Namar kania ka Committee kelarai bansa pha jing tho shaka sarkar jela bagan penbiang no ye jing dan kam jong kania ka laboratory.
We discussed relating to the forensic lab, the FSL. Now the forensic lab that is in the state is not up to the level of the expectations of the committee. When we inquired from the DGP, we found out that there are a lot of things that need to be bought and upgraded. Many sophisticated equipments and many computerized machines are required to be bought by the government, and therefore this committee felt because of the non-functional of the FSL here in the state, a lot of cases are delayed for conviction, delayed for investigation, and therefore particularly when it comes to cases relating to women, when it relates to murder, when it relates to rape cases and relates to the POXO cases, there need a lot of evidences that is required to be examined by the FSL. And therefore we from the committee would urge to the government that this FSL need to be upgraded immediately. What is happening right now is all these tests that are required to be conducted are being sent outside the state, and therefore the reports are getting delayed in coming.
Kania ka Committee jong yang dorbar thawan ke jela kale tairu akane kesni halor ka kambe de bak jing di drugs jong ki kenthai ha ke jela bat klalap bak jela Meghalaya hadu menta kampat dan setia ya ka rehabilitation center ke Bakarpang naga benta ki kenthai halor kene ke jing syam ka Committee kala batha ekatnat social welfare bakan thau no ka rehabilitation center naga benta ki kenthai ke bela kerni ha ki jing di penbuat kum ka kiat bat ki be kala batha ru ekatnat Bakan ekran bak sorkar India ban pelat jika pisah nak bentar ke Jakari Kunswet nang bagi ni ke Jakari kenla ban ribat sumari ke Kunswet.
To take into account the fact that the state of Meghalaya till date does not have a designated rehabilitation center for women engaged in substance abuse, could be alcohol or could be drugs. We were alarmed at the fact that the state of Meghalaya does not have such centers till date. We have appealed to the Department of Social Welfare to take this into consideration and to fast track the setting up of a rehabilitation center for women and girls in particular.
Nalor kini gimat ka komiti hak negasi kelai keren ru alor kamat bedai bat ki program ajin kai pentebet ban sengkam sengjam jong ketenat commerce bat industries. Bat kalau khot hajar ki officer jong ketenat ban panjang tep ikur kompentri kam yakini ki program hak jela. Hagane kejing bisarkam ka komiti kelapen pau kejing kendet ba kejing ajin kai jong ketenat kidai gibam ya hap syo bat kene kejuk ke bamenta. Bat kejing rap pisan ki stipend ru kalong ke baduna palat. Halor kene kejing syam ka komiti kelabatha ketenat commerce bat industries bakin wanra kejing ajing mut ki bapaka neka master plan komno ban pentelun cakmat ikini program naga benta kejing mento jugi nong syong ke jela. Ka komiti kelabuk ban se kenduk biang officer ketenat hak benai no opera.